Good morning, students. Nice to see you. How did you enjoy your Dasara? Fine. Belated happy Dasara to everybody. Right? As we have completed the two topics of our statistics, one is mean and another one is modes. Now we are going into the third concept, median, which is represented by the letter M. Median, which is represented by the letter M. Even in the median also, we have three stages to understand. The first one is median for raw data. To find the median of a given raw data, we need to have some steps. The first step is write given observations in ascending order or descending order. You have to write the given observations, the raw data, either in ascending order or descending order. The second step, B, you go here, find n, the number of observations. Find n, the number of observations. Coming to C, if n is even, another case n is odd. If n is even, you have median is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation whole upon 2. You can simply say that one, the average of the n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. So to remember or to keep in your brain about the formula, even is a number which is divisible by 2. So you can take that one directly, n by 2. Whereas odd is a number which is not divisible by 2. So what you write here, median m is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. Okay, as it is an odd number, you add 1, so it will become an even number, it is divisible by 2. So this is the procedure to find the median of a raw data. Let's take an example here. I give one example for you. Find median of 7, 9, 1, 3, 5, 4. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 observations here. So coming to the answer, what is our first step? Write the given observations in ascending or descending order. So given observations in ascending order. Come on, tell me the ascending order. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Now after this one you go for n. N is nothing but 6. 6 is an even number. Now you go for the median, therefore m is equal to, the formula is n by 2th observation, that is 6 by 2, which is 3rd observation plus 4th observation whole upon 2. So what is the 3rd observation here? 4. And what is the 4th observation here? 5. So you take on 4 plus 5 upon 2, which is equal to 9 upon 2, which is equal to 4.5. Okay guys, this is your median to find here, right? If this is given, if the values are in the odd number, you can use the formula n plus 1 by 2th observation. Right, here one thing I want to tell you, a shortcut method or a method which you can use in the bits, that is, you just write median is equal to middle most value of arranged observations. Arranged observations means you must be arranged in either ascending or in descending order. This will be very simple formula to put into your brains. Median is the middle most value arranged in observations. If you take the same observations, middle most value, so you can cancel the last items and the next items, there remains for you only 2 values there. So you will find the average of those 2. Okay guys, if in such manner, if the odd number is given 11, 17, 19, 20 and 27, you want to find the median here, you take the middle most value in arranged observation, middle most is 19, so you can take 19 as your median, isn't it? Right. This is the method of finding median of a raw data. Now we come to the median, how to find the median of an ungrouped frequency distribution. An ungrouped frequency distribution, the second frame, the second one is ungrouped frequency distribution. Okay, Nana? Right. In the ungrouped frequency distribution, the observations will be given for you and the frequencies are also given for you, and it is necessary for you to find the cumulative frequency. So, once in CBSE examinations they asked that what is the necessity of finding a cumulative frequency while calculating median. What is the necessary of finding cumulative frequency on finding median? Okay. The necessity is you want to take the values on total. See, when you are calculating the median here, you are considering all the values. But here, when you come 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one 5, 3, 7, 2. So, here 1 is repeated for 5 times, 2 is repeated for 3 times, 3 is repeated for 7 times and 4 is repeated for 2 times. So, that means you are going to write all the values 5 times 1. So, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That means after writing all 5 ones, so you have to take the next 2's, 2, 2, 2 and the next you have to consider 7, 7 times 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 7 times and the next you have to consider 4 for 2 times, 4, 4. See, when you come here at this position, 1 is for 5 times. When you go up to 2, how many values do you have? 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Up to when you go up to 3, how many values are there? This is again 8 plus 7, this is 15. And you go when again to this one, you get 17. So, total how many observations do you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Is it clear? So, among all these observations, now what is 17? 17 is nothing but an odd value. So, n is equal to 17, which is an odd number. So, you want to find the median. So, what is your median formula? N plus 1 by 2th observation. N is 17, 17 plus 1 is 18, 18 by 2 is nothing but 19. Sorry, 18 by 2 is nothing but 9. Sorry, 9th observation. So, 9th observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9th observation is 3. So, this is when you have represented the given data in the form of raw data. But here, if you come here, 9th observation, you observe here, this is 5 members are there. In the class, you have 5 members, number 9, he won't answer you. Here in the class, you have 8 members, number 9, he won't answer you. But here, if 15 members are there in the class, you say number 9, he will answer you. So, the person where he answers at the first time is considered as the median. So, your median is nothing but 3. So, what is the necessity of calculating the cumulative frequency? You must be able to say that it is needed to total at every position, or you need to find the number of people, total number of people at every observation, total number of people up to every observation, okay, to find the cumulative frequency. Is it right now? Now, this is the method of finding the cumulative frequency. You use the same formulas for the mean, for the median, even for even and odd, okay. Right. Now, after this one, you go for grouped frequency distribution. This will be discussed in the next video. Bye.